Did you know that clouds may look fluffy and light, but they're actually incredibly heavy? A typical cumulus cloud can weigh about 1.1 million pounds. That's around 500,000 kilograms, all from tiny water droplets and ice crystals. An average cumulus cloud has a volume of about 1 cubic kilometer, packed with water. Despite their weight, clouds float because they're less dense than the air around them. Those tiny droplets are so small that gravity barely affects them, keeping them suspended. Updrafts help too, lifting them higher into the sky. When they get too heavy, they fall as rain or snow. So, a cloud can weigh as much as 100 elephants, yet it floats effortlessly.
If you uncoiled all the DNA in your body and stretched it out, it would reach from Earth to Pluto and back 6 times. You have about 37 trillion cells, and each one contains roughly 2 meters of DNA. That's 74 billion kilometers of genetic instructions packed inside you. And here's the weird part. All of it is folded so tight that it fits inside spaces smaller than the tip of a needle. You're basically a cosmic scale library crammed into a human-sized container. Wait, so if you removed all the empty space from atoms, the entire human race would fit inside a sugar cube? That's actually true, because atoms are 99.9999% empty space. Like if an atom was the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be a tiny marble in the center. The rest? Just nothing, a complete vacuum. But here's the crazy part. That sugar cube would still weigh 5 billion tons. We're basically just really heavy ghosts held together by electric fields. Follow for more mind-blowing science facts.
Did you know the largest living organism on Earth isn't a whale or a giant tree? It's actually a fungus in Oregon that stretches across 3.4 square miles underground. This colossal mushroom colony has been growing for thousands of years. But you'll barely see it because it lives mostly beneath the forest floor. Nature's secret giant, hidden right under our feet. Did you know that ripe bananas glow bright blue under a black light? This happens because chlorophyll, the green pigment in unripe bananas, breaks down as they ripen. When that happens, unique fluorescent compounds form in the peel, emitting a striking blue light when exposed to UV light. Interestingly, this glow peaks when the banana is perfectly ripe and ready to eat, then fades as it becomes overripe. Scientists are fascinated by this phenomenon since it's rare in other plants. This glowing might help animals that see UV light spot ripe bananas for seed dispersal. Some researchers even think it acts like a natural sunscreen, keeping the fruit fresh longer. So next time you see a banana, imagine it quietly glowing in the dark, a tiny natural light show. Did you know there's a parasite that can control minds? It's called Toxoplasma gondii. In rats, it rewires their brains to stop fearing cats and even makes them attracted to them, leading to their demise. That's how the parasite completes its life cycle. Here's the creepy part. About 40% of humans may carry it too. It doesn't make us run toward cats, but studies suggest it could subtly influence our personality and behavior. So a parasite might be pulling tiny strings in your brain right Weird fact about the Milky Way galaxy. Did you know it has these giant structures called the Fermi bubbles? They extend about 25,000 light-years above and below the galaxy's center. That's nearly a 50,000 light-year tall structure. These bubbles emit powerful gamma rays and X-rays, and they're believed to be filled with high-energy particles. Scientists think they might be caused by energetic jets from Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's core. It's like a visible sign of the Milky Way's violent past.
Did you know the human body contains about 0.2 milligrams of gold? Most of it is in the blood. This is enough to gild a small statue if collected from millions of people. This trace element helps with enzyme function and blood vessel health. But you'd need roughly 5 million bodies to make a single gold coin from it. The sandbox tree, Hura crepitans, found in the Amazon rainforest, is effectively nature's version of a landmine. Its fruit looks like a cute miniature pumpkin. However, when the fruit dries out, it doesn't just fall, it explodes. The explosion is so violent that it flings seeds at speeds of up to 250 km/h, 155 km/h. The pop is loud enough that it's often mistaken for a gunshot in the jungle, earning it the nickname the dynamite tree. To top it off, the tree is covered in dark, jagged spikes and drips a toxic sap that can cause blindness or a nasty rash if it touches your skin. It's essentially a tree designed by a medieval weapons specialist.